Hi friends, my name is Maruti and I'm the co-founder of Krakow. In this video, I'll give you 4 tips to make the best use of the last 60 days to CAT. The first tip is to take CAT mocks. One of the biggest mistakes the student make in the last few days is to not take enough mocks and just take mocks in the last couple of weeks before the examination. That I think is not a good strategy. CAT mocks will help you identify the weaknesses in your CAT preparation and you can rectify it. You still have 2 months, so take CAT mocks and analyze them thoroughly so that you know what you're doing wrong and you can make the best use of the remaining time in your hands. So I would recommend you to take at least 1 CAT mock every week from now till the examination, and you can ramp up the number of mocks that you take towards the end. Maybe in the last 15 days, you can take 2 mocks every week so that overall from now till the examination, you will take at least 15 mocks. The second tip that I have is to focus on high weightage topics. Even though CAT syllabus seems to be vast, there are important topics which have a lot of weightage. The 3 important topics in quant are arithmetic, algebra and geometry. So if you are weak in any one of them, definitely spend time so that you become good at all 3 of them. It doesn't mean that the other topics are not important and you don't know anything about it. My strategy in the last 2 months is to at least ensure that you are good at all 3 of them, and all the remaining topics you know the basics, so that if a simple question comes from any of the remaining topics also, you will be able to answer it. So in these last 2 months, ensure that at least the important topics in quant, verbal and LRDI you're thorough. In LRDI, definitely know how to solve arrangements and puzzles, because many times in every CAT examination there is at least one set which is an arrangements kind of a set. So that I think is an important type of LRDI that you should definitely know. In addition to it, I would tell you to make notes of important formulas in quant, especially in the 3 important topics that I told you about. Have a notebook separately and try to put any important formula from any of these topics that you use in any of the questions. This formula notebook, keep revising it regularly, because if you're revising them regularly, you will keep remembering the formulas. Remember that in the last 2 months, you revise the important topics as much as possible. The third tip I would have is for you to solve at least 1 DILR and 1 reading comprehension set every single day. From now till the examination, if you're solving 1 DILR of a different type, a diverse set of DILR, on the day of the examination, you will feel very happy that you have solved a lot of diverse set of LRDIs. So ensure that from now till the examination, whatever might come, however busy you are, you at least solve 1 DILR set and 1 reading comprehension set every single day. This will help you in identifying the easy type of LRDIs in the examination and the difficult types of LRDIs. Similarly, in reading comprehension also, improvement will take time. It won't happen that you will suddenly improve in RCs, but doing consistent practice of RCs will help you improve your reading speed and your comprehension skills. So ensure that in the last 60 days, every single day you are solving at least 1 DILR and 1 RC. And overall, try to solve at least around say 125 to 150 LRDI sets and around the same number of RCs by the day of the examination. The last and the most important point is for you to stay calm and manage your stress. Know that there are 60 days left to CAT. Many of you might be already feeling anxious. This anxiety will only increase as the day of the examination comes close. But the first way to fix it is to identify it. Know that this happens to a lot of students. This will happen to nearly every student, especially students who are taking this examination for the first time. Know that and try to stay ahead of it. Try to go for a walk in the evening. Try to have some schedule which you are following strictly. The more you follow a schedule on a strict basis, the lesser your anxiety will be. So don't let CAT make you too nervous or too anxious. Know that it is just one examination and believe in the process. The process is doing the same thing every single day and you will continue to keep getting better and better. And especially identify that as the examination comes closer, you will maybe feel more anxious. That is okay, but try to manage it better.